Hello, my dear friends, brothers, and sisters. Today, I bring to you what I have termed in the Igbo cosmology, the concept of ezigbo mmadu and nnukwu mmadu in Igbo. The concept of ezigbo mmadu and nnukwu mmadu in Igbo cosmology. The greatest want of the world is the want of men. Men who will not be bought or sold. Men who in their innermost souls are true and honest. Men who do not fear to call sin by its right name. Men whose conscience is as true to duty as a needle to the poor. Men who will stand for the rights though the heavens fall. Pakoloko. Regrettably and sadly too, behaviors and inhuman conduct, previously regarded sin and viewed as untold, abnormal, and to say the least, morally reprehensible, are to all intents and purposes celebrated today as pomp and pageantry. Most men and women in our society today now place premium on dishonesty rather than honesty, distrust rather than trust, ill-gotten wealth rather than legitimately acquired wealth. Today, the age-long dichotomy between mmadu, the powerful, rich, and very influential people, but morally bankrupt in our society, and ezigbo mmadu, the morally upright people, but averagely rich, which was jealously guarded and tenaciously held in high esteem by ancestors, have been shamelessly cut off due to inordinate quest for wealth and questionable desire for political power, as well as a love for material things, as it were. Then there was a clear-cut dichotomy between mmadu and ezigbo mmadu in our society. It's that a stranger comes to a man's house seeking his daughter's hand in marriage, and the parents of the girl, the would-be bride, will be interested to know from their prospective son-in-law his father's name, mother's father's name, father's mother's name, and not necessarily that of the would-be son-in-law. If I go, what now happens is these days, and that's where this concept draws its strength. When a young man declares interest in a girl these days, they are now asking, that wasn't the concept in Igbo land. What is of paramount importance is the nitty-gritty of their would-be son-in-law's family, and not more pretentious, according to Oliver Wendell Holmes. This is because blood is thicker than water. A na-esi na si eli eju, a na-esi na enyo arụmalụ ụtọ nsị. Today, the reverse is the case. Parents more often than not today place premium on material things other than knowing the nitty-gritty of the family of their would-be son-in-law. Things have woefully fallen apart, and the center can no longer hold. And the question we ask, who is to be blamed, my dear brothers and sisters? Iche Kenya and Igbo taa, if I was carrying nne bụ oke mmadu. Those who will go to Abuja, they have the demands of ndị Igbo in hand. They will get there. If they can't push the demands, they will push in their son for a political office. Is that what we want in Igbo land? Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Ezigbo mmadu koloko. So the concept of ezigbo mmadu and nnukwu mmadu needs to be reviewed again. We have lost it to a large extent. From the background we are coming as Igbos, it was like an anathema You visit a man in his house, say, all your daughter, or my friend. The man will, maybe out of economic situation or circumstance or whatever, walk in and say, Agatha, so this concept of mmadu is what breeds this. Many men of this background are dying suddenly because of Oriko. Many men are sending their children to do what is untold. So please, my brothers and sisters, in Azafia na Alaba, in Azuni Dumota, in Azuna Aba, in Azuna Onitsha, in Azafia, let's review the concept of mmadu na nnukwu mmadụ na Igbo. Ife juru na banka bụ oke mmadụ. Ezigbo mmadụ kọrọ ụkọ. Ana m ajụ gị, bụ oke mmadụ na Igbo, ịbụ nnukwu mmadụ. Ịbụ obodo adịghị mma na ya community. Ịbụ ihe ndị Mbaise na-akpọ emeta obi ala mmiri. Ịbụ ndị ewu hapụta asị hapụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ekwe mana ha ruo Abuja ha akpawa ihe ọzọ. Ịbụ oke mmadụ. Anyị achọghị gị n'ala Igbo. Anyị ga-emela na oke mmadụ ka be anyị wee dị mma. Ana m arịọ ndị ọchịchị nọ na South East, ndị gọvanọ anyị, ka unu gbasie mbọ ike ihe ọbụla unu ga-eme, maka na like he said, to whom much is given, much is expected. Monde ọbụla anyị na-anọ sit at home ọdọkụ mma na be anyị, ọ na ndị Igbo enweghịzi onye ndị ezigbo mmadụ nwere ike ikpe oku si ha ka anyị meela na ihe a na economically is affecting us. Biko ọ bụrụkwasa ndị ji ego na-abụ ndị isi, but this concept is what we need to reappraise. And ma jụkwa gị again, ebe ọ bụla ị nọ na-azụ afịa ma asara Nigeria ma within Nigeria bụ onye Igbo, ana m asụ nke a na Igbo. Ịbụ nnukwu mmadụ, ịbụ oke mmadụ, ịbụ ezigbo mmadụ. Ọ ka alụ gị mma ịbụ ezigbo mmadụ ka na Igbo wee dị mma. Ekene m unu.
V-Craft.